So in this video we are getting started with the Deno.js. For that we should set up the environment first. So we'll download a couple of things now, then we will download Deno.js afterward. So to get started I need an IDE and code editor. So my favorite one is Visual Studio Code, which is very powerful. You can go and download, it's free and open source. Okay, as it says, it runs anywhere and everywhere, so you can download for your device. It's Mac or Windows, it doesn't matter, or Linux. After that we also need a git bash. VS Code can be downloaded from this URL and git bash can be downloaded from this URL. Git bash is for supporting bashing feature of the Windows. We'll use terminal of Visual Studio Code as well, but git bash can be used as well in the project. That's why I suggest you download it from here for your device as well. So I assume you downloaded Visual Studio Code and git bash as well, so that's why we should now download the Deno. So Deno can be downloaded with two ways, or for different devices actually. So in the Windows we need to run this in a PowerShell, and in macOS and Linux we should run this command. After you run successfully, I suggest you test your installation with Deno -- version. It will show the version of Deno and other things. That's what if you successfully completed this, you should go and download an extension. So let's do all this in act. So I'm in a Windows device, that's why I will download it with the wrong place, with the PowerShell. Okay, I've run this before. Let me just find it. Okay, you should run this. Okay, I've run this already, that's why I don't need. Or you can also run this from this VS Code terminal, from here, new terminal, and you can run here because it's based on PowerShell and it can be run here as well. So after this all completed, you have downloaded the Deno.js successfully. I suggest you to run this command here, like Deno version, and click enter, and you'll see Deno version, V8 version, and TypeScript version as well. Okay, if you are done with this, I suggest you to go to extensions and search for Deno. Okay, there should be some extension from Deno land. You should install it. I've already installed it. It will have great support with in Visual Studio Code, so that's why we are downloading it. So that's all. We have downloaded everything, set up our environment, so we are ready to code in the next video.